have just taken an important first step, assessing whether your legal, policy, and governance frameworks are helping or hindering restoration. You have seen how motivation, enabling conditions, and capacity all play a role in success. But identifying gaps isn't enough. The next challenge is knowing how to strengthen these frameworks. And one of the biggest barriers is land tenure. Who has the right to restore? Who benefits? And who can block progress? Unclear or insecure tenure can stall restoration, create conflict, and exclude key stakeholders. That's why the next part of this journey focuses on strengthening land tenure governance to make restoration both ecologically sound and socially just. Let's dive in and explore what land tenure really means for restoration.